Everyone, my name is K. Anand. I am from Medak district. Today I have come here to discuss about the role of mathematics in past, in present and in future. And first I would like to say about the role of mathematics in past. Actually, do you know the world's greatest civilizations? One of the world's greatest civilization is Indus Valley civilization, and it is existed in India. And in that civilization, it is often said that it is a urban civilization. In that civilization, people use the mathematics in building their villages and in developing their civilization. And in the past also, mathematics has a prominent role. Our great mathematicians improved the mathematics. Examples of them are Aryabhatta and Bhaskaracharya. Actually, all the people who came here are saying that Aryabhatta introduced pi and 0. But according to my knowledge, Aryabhatta introduced only pi and Bhaskaracharya introduced 0. And how Bhaskaracharya introduced 0 is, there was a conference all over the world and the people are suffering from they don't know about more numbers. That means if they know the numbers from 1 to 100, they must know that only. And more than 100 they can't know because there was no 0 existing in that time. That means when in that conference Bhaskaracharya went and he suggested 0. All the members were asked him, what is it? Then he said that it is 0, and when we add it to 1 to 9 numbers, it increases its value by 2 times, then by 10 times, sorry. In this way he introduced 0. And at the present time mathematics is being used in many fields. That means it is majorly used in computers and statistics also, and for the surveying and to know what is there in which country and how many people are there. In that we are using mathematics, and in the future mathematics will have a prominent role and we can bring that every citizen of India must know the mathematics, and even an uneducated man also knows mathematics, and due to his ancestral knowledge and due to his outside knowledge and worldly knowledge. Now I conclude that mathematics has a prominent role in our day-to-day life, and I end my speech with this. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity.